Next thing I'm going to do is tamp it. I do my tamp in two sections. First, I kind of settle the tamper in there and get a flat surface. Then I lightly tap the side of the basket, which gets all the coffee around the side knocked in there. I tamp again with the full pressure, which one good idea for this is 30 pounds. And then I spin it, which is called polishing, and then kind of clean up the rest of the portafilter. I know a lot of you at home, what you'd be saying right now is, how am I supposed to know where 30 pounds is? One way that you can learn that is by going and buying a tamper similar to this one, except for it's called a click tamper, and it has a device on it that gives away like a torque wrench at 30 pounds. And that's one way you can train yourself to know what 30 pounds feels like. And that is a portafilter ready to insert into the machine to prepare a double espresso.